How to make money on people per hour as a data visualization expert. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, people per hour is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the visitors. So for example, if I was a visitor coming to this platform, searching for a data visualization expert, I'm going to type the skill I'm looking for in here. As you can see, access global talent on the freelancer website trusted by over 1 million businesses worldwide. So here I'm going to enter the skill that I'm looking for and click on the search button, and here I'm going to see all of the freelancers that are offering the exact skill that I'm looking for. So here we have create interactive visualization using D3, JSON or JS, JavaScript I guess. And here we have build a professional local data studio dashboard and report. I can visualize your data in Excel or Google Sheets. And this one is getting paid $55 per hour, $250 per hour, $30, $100 per hour, 90, 75. So here we have all of those freelancers and their profiles offering the skill that they know how to do. So I'm going to show you how you can be amongst those freelancers and how to have your profile as well amongst those people. So let's go back to the main page and go to your top right, click on the freelancer button to proceed to create your account, and here make sure to choose I want to work as a freelancer. Then click on sign up with email, and here you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to enter my email and my password. And in login, and as you can see, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here, let's apply now. Complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here, drop your profile picture, then you enter your job title, for example, award-winning web developer, or you can just go with data visualization expert. Then you proceed to enter in your skills. So here you can start with data, but keep in mind that the maximum amount of skills that you can enter in here is 15. So make sure to use these spots wisely. So here, let's start with data entry, or let's go with data visualization. Let's enter data again. Let's see if we can find data expert. Let's go with data science, and let's go with data analysis as well, data scraping, entry clerk, development, business data, and database management, database development, data encoding, database administration, extraction as well. And that's it for the skills. Then you proceed to add in the about you. So here you describe yourself to buyers. So guys, in order to make a decent description for your profile. What I like to do best is go to the search here and search for the freelancers that are doing the same skill like the one we're doing, and then check their description and get inspiration from their descriptions. So here let's enter the skill we're looking for, data visualization expert, and here click on the search. So we're going to see the top data visualization expert offers. Click on all offers, and here there is a problem, sorry, no offers found. Let's remove expert and let's click on the search, and here we're going to see all of the offers. So let's go down, let's check this one's offer. He gets paid a lot of money, but he has not made any sales. Let's read his description, and this is his description. It's not very organized, but it's not that bad. It's still decent. Hi, thanks for checking out my profile. I'm a top rated freelancer. Over the past years I have used modern JavaScript Node along with frameworks like to build desktop, mobile, web and progressive web apps, used Python to automate boring tasks, used AI to enable a computer to see, draw, read, talk and play games, develop themes, plugins in WordPress and combine WP-REST API with Gatsby, React, etc. Improved technical SEO of client sites, IE speed, security, etc. Taught computer science courses, improved security of website by penetration testing, adding auth, etc. with performance optimization. Worked as a VA to improve productivity of clients, integrating AdSense to websites to generate revenue. So this is not a very bad description, but we can find a decent description that we can use as our inspiration just if you keep looking down. So when you find the inspiration that you're going to base on in order to make your description, go back to your profile and here go to the edit, and in this place you will be able to change everything about your profile, starting with the name down to your phone number. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.